Determine the four critical points of the function f(x(y) equals to 2x squared plus y cubed minus x squared y minus 3y. Hence, determine the maximum, minimum, or saddle points of the function using the second derivative test. The second derivative test here means the D test. So let's find the four critical points first. So the first step is to find f sub x and f sub y. F sub x, differentiate 2x squared with respect to x is 4x. Differentiate y cubed with respect to x is 0. Differentiate negative x squared y with respect to x is negative 2xy. Differentiate negative 3y with respect to x is 0. F sub y, differentiate 2x squared with respect to y is 0. Differentiate y cubed with respect to y is 3y squared. Differentiate negative x squared with respect to y is negative x squared. Differentiate negative 3y with respect to y is negative 3. Let's equal our f sub x and f sub y with 0. So for x minus 2xy equals to 0, factorize 2x and we're left with 2 minus y equals to 0. And we have 2x equals to 0, 2 minus y equals to 0, x equals to 0, and y equals to 2. We have f sub y, which is 3y squared minus x squared minus 3 equals to 0. Let us substitute x equals to 0 into f sub y, that we already equal it to 0 here. So if we substitute x equals to 0, then we're going to get 3y squared minus 3 equals to 0. Factorize 3 and we're going to get y squared minus 1 equals to 0, and factorize y squared minus 1 is y plus 1, y minus 1 equals to 0. Divide this 3 with 0, it's going to be 0. So we're going to get y equals to negative 1 and y equals to 1. So let's substitute y equals to 2 into 3y squared minus x squared minus 3 equals to 0. Then substitute y equals to 2 here. We're going to get 2 squared is 4, 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 minus x squared minus 3 equals to 0. 9 minus x squared equals to 0. Factorize 3 plus x, 3 minus x equals to 0. X equals to negative 3 and x equals to 3. So we have four critical points, which are the first one, 0, negative 1, 0, 1, negative 3, 2, and 3, 2. Make sure you write down the x coordinate first before coordinate y. So the third step is we need to find the second order of partial derivative, f sub xx first. So differentiate 4x minus 2xy with respect to x. So differentiate 4x with respect to x is 4. Differentiate negative 2xy with respect to x is 2y. So we're going to get 4 minus 2y. F sub yy. Differentiate 3y squared minus x squared minus 3 with respect to y. Differentiate 3y squared with respect to y is 6y. Differentiate negative x squared and negative 3 with respect to y is 0. F sub xy. Differentiate 4x with respect to y is 0. Differentiate negative 2xy with respect to y is negative 2x. So let's substitute into our d-test, which is fxx times fyy minus fxy squared. So 4 minus 2y times with 6y minus negative 2x squared. So 4 minus 2y times 6y minus 4x squared. So let's substitute our points into our d-test. So the first point is 0, negative 1. Substitute into the d-test. So 4, substitute negative 1 here is positive 2 times negative 6 minus substitute 0 here is 0. So we're going to get 6 times negative 6 is negative 36, and we know that negative 36 is less than 0, means our 0, negative 1 is a saddle point. Substitute the second point, which is 0, 1, right? 0, 1. So if we substitute here, 4 minus 2 times 6 minus 0. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. So 12 is greater than 0. Now we need to check our f sub xx. So f sub xx is 4 minus 2y. Now substitute y here. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 is greater than 0. So it means that our 0, 1 is a minimum point, because the d is positive and the fs is greater than 0 is also positive. Substitute the third point is negative 3, 2. So if we substitute into 4 minus 2y times 6y minus 4x squared is, so 4 substitute 2 into here is minus 4, which is 0. 0 times with 12, also 0, minus 4 times negative 3 squared is 9. So we're going to get negative 36, and negative 36 is less than 0. So d is negative, means that our point negative 3, 2 is a saddle point. So let's substitute the last point, which is 3, 2, right? Yes, okay. Substitute our point into 4 minus 2y. 4 minus 4 times with 2y 6, which is 12, minus 3 squared is 9, which is also negative 36. Then the t is less than 0, so means that 3, 2 is also a saddle point. So now we have 3 saddle points, which is 0, negative 1, negative 3, 2, positive 3, 2. So these points are saddle points, and the point 0, 1 is a minimum point.